Welcome to RD Home. I am Devinder. In this video, we will discuss here class 9th Maths Statistics exercise 9.2 question number 3. See here exercise 9.2 question number 3. If the mean of the following frequency distribution is 7.2, find value of k. See here, these are all x values, these are all f values. That means here frequencies. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Here 4, 7, 10, 16, 7, k 3. See here we need to find here k value. But in the question they have given already mean is equal to how much? 7.2. First of all I am writing here the distribution table. See, I am writing here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Next you can see here 4, 7, 10. Here see 4, 7, 10, 16, k. Next one 3. See here you know that the minimum basic formula. What is the basic formula of mean fi into xi or not? You know that sigma fi xi by sigma fi. First of all you need to find here multiplication of fi into xi. See here all these are small values so that you can do a direct method. See here 4 2 ja how much? 8 only. Here 7 4 ja how much? 28. Next year 10 6 ja how much? 60. Next year 16 8 ja how much? 128. Yes or no? See here if you have any doubt please do on the right side. 8 6 ja 48. 8 1 ja 8. 8 plus 4 12. 128. See here next year k into 10 how much? 10k. This is the unknown variable. See here 3 12 ja how much? 36. See here you need to find here sigma fi xi is equal to, here you can do here sigma fi is equal. See first you can add the frequencies, sum of the frequencies here. 4 plus 7 is how much? 11. 11 plus 10 is how much? 21. 21 plus 16 how much? 37. 37 plus 3 how much? 40. 40 plus k you can write here 40 plus k. 40 plus k. This is the sum of the frequencies. You need to find here sum of the fi into xi. That means just you can add all these things. Here 8 plus 8 how much? 16. 16 plus 8 how much? 24. 24 plus 6 how much? 24 plus 6 30. Just you can write here 30. That means you will get here 3. 3 plus 3 here how much? 6. 6 plus 2 here 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 2 16. 16 you can carry 1 here. 1 plus 1 how much? 2. That means 260 plus 10k. Why? Because it is an unknown variable. Yes or no? 260 plus 10k is your sum of the frequencies and your value of observations. See here we know that basic definition formula. We know that here mean is equals sigma fi into xi by sigma fi. But already given here see, once you can see the question, if the mean of the following frequency distribution is how much? 7.2. See here given mean is equal to 7.2. You can substitute the values in the above formula. Then you can simplify it. See here implies mean value is how much? See here mean value is 7.2 is equal sigma fi into xi is how much? 260 plus 10k. Here 260 plus 10k by, see here sigma fi value is how much? 40 plus k. 40 plus k. Then you can simplify here. See very easy problem. Just you can transpose 40 plus k to LHS. Otherwise, you can do your simplification directly. 7.2. How can you represent here? See, 72 by 10 is equal to here 260 plus 10k by 40 plus k. Then you can do your cross multiplication. See here 72 into 40 plus k is equal to 10 into 260 plus 10k. See here, you know that here 7.2 in the previous class you have learned 7.2 can be represented as 72 by 10. Yes or no? Then here just I am doing here cross multiplication. 72 into 40 plus k, here 10 into 260 plus 10k. Just you can simplify here. See implies 72 into 40. That means you can do 0 directly right here. 4 2 ja 8 here. 4 7 ja 28. 2880 plus 72 into k 72k is equal 10 into 260. That means you will get directly 2600 plus here 10k into 10 10 10 how much 100k 100k. See here just you can transpose 72k to RHS, 2600 to LHS. That means you can write here 2880 minus 2600 is equal to 100k minus 72k is equal to, see here 0 minus 0 0 only, 8 minus 0 8 only, here 8 minus 6 2 only, here 2 minus 2 0. That means 280 is equal to 100k minus 72k. 100 minus 72 is how much? 0 minus 2 not exists, so that you can take it 10. 10 minus 2 is how much? Here 8 here. 9 minus 7 2. See here 28k. See here you can rewrite the question, rewrite the equation as LHS is equal to RHS. That means you can write here 28k is equal to here 280 implies, can you write here k is equal to 280 by 28. See here just I am transposing 28 to RHS, 28 to RHS, so that it is 28 times of k. If I am transposing it will become division. See here 28 1 ja 28, 28 10 ja 280. That means your answer should be, see here implies k is equal to here 10. K is equal to how much? K is equal to 10 is your solution. This is your solution. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in our class 9th maths playlist videos.